On Tuesday, November 29th, we challenge the Harding Nation to gather to give.
Give to inspire students to be thought leaders.
Give to inspire students to have a passion for Christian service.
Give to inspire enthusiastic visionaries who think beyond the classroom.
Give to inspire creativity.
Give to inspire students to be Spirit-led.
Give to inspire students to foster unity and build community.
Give to inspire students to change the world.
Because of your gift, it opens up doors for more students to receive a Harding education. You inspire a bold future.
On Tuesday, November 29th, be inspired to gather to give.
Gather to give.